Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily call the voice assistant on your Android phone. As you can see, here we've got our earbuds in the application, which is called SOUNDCORE. Here, now we need to scroll. We need to tap Controls. And at first we need to prepare ourselves the gesture. I will, for example, set it to double tap on the left earbud. We need to tap it and set System Voice Assistant. Now we can take the left earbud out of the case, and as you can see, it looks like this. Here we've got our place for the gestures, and as you can see, if we double tap this place, we can enable our Gemini. You might have set the Bixby or something. I've tapped 3 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now it doesn't work. I have no idea why. Now it works. That's it. Goodbye.